Hello from the Bureau. I'm climatologist Lynette Bedio.
And I'm hydrologist Paul Fakemer, and we're here to discuss the climate water outlook from March to May. Well, Lynn, we've seen some above average rainfall totals across some parts of Australia in recent weeks. Can we expect these to continue?
Well, we are seeing widespread chances of above average rainfall over large parts of the country, especially in northern Australia. However, in parts of the country such as southwest WA and Tasmania, there are no strong shifts towards wetter or drier conditions.
So what's driving that shift towards wetter conditions?
Well, the La Nina remains established in the tropical Pacific, and with those cooler waters in the east and warmer waters near Australia, that brings more moisture into our region. So Australia does tend to see wetter conditions during La Nina events. So in December and January, we have seen wetter than average conditions over parts of Australia, though there were some drier than average areas such in southwest WA. So the La Nina has likely peaked, but it's still influencing our climate with large rainfall totals seen in some areas since the start of February. So how has this rainfall impacted on soil moisture?
So if we have a look at how wet the landscape was in January, we can see that increases in soil moisture in the east and north, where much of New South Wales and northern Australia now has average to above average soil moisture. However, soils have dried out in Western Australia, particularly those in southern WA. And if we have a look at stream flows, we're now expecting high and near median flows at over 85% of locations for February to April. The high stream flows for this time of year are expected in northeast New South Wales and parts of northern Australia. In those areas where soils and catchments are relatively wet and where there's a higher chance of above median rainfall, that's where the risk of runoff and flooding is highest. So Lynn, what's happening with temperatures?
Well, we're seeing increased chances of above average daytime temperatures over Tasmania and parts of the east coast, but for much of the western half of the country there's increased chances of cooler days, except for that southwest coast there. Nights are likely to be warmer than average over much of Australia.
Okay, thanks Lynn. That's it from us for now. With the increased risk of flooding in the coming months, keep an eye on our website and listen to your local emergency services.